In February, we introduced you to the DNA Nudge team who developed a system combining genetic testing with lifestyle monitoring to help us make smarter food choices. During the early part of the pandemic, DNA Nudge adapted their technology to detect COVID-19, and this has already been rolled out nationwide by the United Kingdom's National Health Service. Now they're getting ready to reach a much wider public by launching their new low-cost bubble test.
So what I want you to do is I want you to try and put as much sample in there. Now what we need phlegm and not spit. So phlegm will be a bit more thick and spit is quite liquidy. We want the phlegm. You see this pot here? This shows you about the amount that we need.
DNA Nudge is the brainchild of Imperial University's Regis engineering professor, Chris Tumazu.
We differ by about 0.1%, and it's that 0.1% that differentiates us from whether we got propensities to genetic diseases, whether or not we can metabolize various foods, whether or not we can metabolize drugs, etc., etc. Okay. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to identify those errors. Those errors are called SNPs. They're single letter changes in our DNA, single nucleotide polymorphism.
But when COVID came along, Professor Tumazu quickly realized that his technology could also identify other types of genetic material.
The utility of the technology was absolutely spot on for rapid testing. Instead of spotting these mutations, if you like, these chemicals for these SNPs, these errors in our genetic makeup, we had to spot COVID-19 genes.